Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be downloading and installing Google Chrome onto your Windows 11 operating system. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. So the first step you're going to want to do is get your browser that you're going to use to navigate to download Google Chrome. If you haven't done anything, don't worry. Windows comes with a default built-in browser called Microsoft Edge. That's the one we're going to be using for this tutorial, but if you have another browser, you can use that as well. The way you're going to find it, it should be here on the bottom bar, but just in case it's not, in this search engine, you can just search Edge, and it should pop up right at the top. So once you have your browser here, we're going to go to google.com/Chrome. And once you do that, it should take you directly to the Chrome download page. It says right here for Windows 11/10 64-bit. So this is the one you're going to want to do. And you're going to just click Download Chrome. This should go up into your download section. Once you get there, you can just navigate to here. And you're going to want to double click your Chrome setup. This is going to open up this little window. And it's going to have a little install widget that will help you to automatically install Chrome onto your computer. So once this is done, it will go to installing. And Chrome is helpful in a lot of ways. It's a lot easier on your computer than the default Microsoft Edges. And there, boom. As easy as that, Chrome has been installed onto your Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to get to those and answer those questions. And until next time, thank you for watching.